I could hardly breathe. I thought, if I can't even hold my newborn baby, what's wrong with me? My chest was collapsing, my breast implants had ruptured and leaked. I couldn't even make myself a glass of water. This leaking, disgusting mess is what went into me. And it's chemicals, it's toxic, industrial chemicals. My baby was in my womb. I was breastfeeding. It's part of the healing process that we all need to know that this has actually been taken seriously, that there is legal backing behind this finally.